Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Quick ways to enter text and values into your worksheet. Entering numbers. To enter a number value into a cell, select the appropriate cell, type the value, and then press Enter, Tab, or one of the arrow navigations. So pick the cell, just pick any cell. 12.5, I'm going to hit the Tab key, and it's going to default to the right. I'm going to hit Delete, and I'm going to hit 22.33, and then I'm just going to hit the Enter key, and it drops down to the next active cell, and then delete, and then hit 44.6, and then I'm going to hit the left arrow, and it goes to the left. It's that simple. Entering text into a cell is just as easy as entering a value. Activate the cell, type the text, and then press Enter or a navigation key, same as entering a number. A cell can contain a maximum of about 32,000 characters. If you type an exceptionally long text entry into a cell, the formula bar may not show all the text. To display more of the text in the formula bar, click the bottom of the formula bar and drag down to increase the height, editing your text to make it shorter. Click the bottom of the formula bar. Here's your formula bar. This right arrow. Click that and then just hit that arrow, and you can read the entire text. If you do the same thing, take this particular data, hit Control C, copy, hit Control V. Remember those shortcuts I said? All I did was I took that same formula. Now, what happens here is it rolls over all the way to, and it could run into other data. If I put 44 here, and guess what? You have no idea what the rest of that text length is or the content. So what you can do, you can go over here to the row column. So we're in row 16, and you can extend that. Then you can go to home. You can go wrap text and see that all that text information was condensed into this cell. But the other way to do it, and the best way to do it, is hit Format, Auto Fit, Type. It will automatically adjust this cell to the length of the text content and the column width. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, Williams out.